Inserting SmartArt, Example 3 with pictures. Once again, going to the Insert tab, we're going to insert a SmartArt graphic. We've already looked at the examples at List and Process, and as you can see, as I move down through these different categories, we have different types of images that will appear. So there's cycle, there's hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and so on. There is one category here called picture. This is a mixture of all of the different categories above, but it puts together all of the different styles that allow for pictures. So let's say, for example, we decide to go with one of these styles. I'm going to choose this one here. It's called an ascending picture accent process. So when I press the OK button, I can see the graphic and it has areas for me to type text. So for example here, I might type in item 1, and in the next one, I'll have item 2, and if I want a third and a fourth and so on, I simply just keep pressing the return key as I type. So now I can see the 4 items, and it's going from the bottom up to item 2, item 3, and item 4. The difference here is that this particular SmartArt graphic allows me also to add images. Clicking on the little square to the left of the bullet point, it will allow me to go and insert a picture from a file that I already have on my own PC, or I can go search the internet or my OneDrive. Here I'm going to go and browse pictures that are already on my computer. And from here then I'm going to go and select an image and press insert. So now I can see down here that the image has gone in beside item 1. I can also see the image here. So to put an image beside item 2, I again have to click on the square beside the bullet point. I again can go from a file onto the internet or from my OneDrive. So once again, I'm going to go from a file on my own computer. And then I'm going to press insert. And I can do this then for each one of these the whole way down. In order to get rid of a picture that you've already added, you simply click on the picture once over here on the text pane, and then press the delete button on your keyboard. You can see now here that it's deleted from the graphic. If you want to make any changes to this picture, you simply select the picture that you'd like to change. And notice now at the top, not only do you have SmartArt tools, but you also have picture tools, and there's a format option. Later in this course, we're going to go through the different things that you can do with pictures. One thing that's important here is within the crop drop-down. There's an option here called Fill and Fit. If you press the Fit button here, it will reduce the size of the image so that the entire image fits inside the circle. So again, if I select the image that belongs to item number 3, I can go up into the Format tab of my Picture Tools, and in the drop-down menu, I'm going to choose the option Fit for the picture to fit inside the circle that it has in the graphic. Clicking on the text pane will close that pane, and now I see the image on screen. To get back into those images, simply click once into the SmartArt and then maximize the text pane so that you can then go and add more pictures or delete pictures that are already there.